Okay, so hi dear Gemini, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal no contact love reading for all the Gemini Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising from today till the end of June 2026. And the roles can be reversed also. Action can be from your side also. If not resonating, definitely not your story. Please don't try to forcibly fit yourself into the reading, honey. Sometimes the messages are not for you. Take whatever resonates and leave the other part. For personal reading, healing session, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And for tarot reading course and Ho'oponopono Masterclass 2, links are given below. So let's start. Let's see, Gemini, the person that you are in no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment. The person that you are in no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment. Okay, so I have the Six of Swords, Page of Wands, World card. Bottom of the deck is the Chariot. Okay, Gemini, they're like, okay, I'm moving on. Yeah, I tried my best, I gave my best. Now, this person, from deep inside, this person is very strongly determined to have the success and victory that they want in this situation. And according to the other cards, also, deep down, this person is feeling very determined to keep moving forward in their life and not to look back, because according to them they have done their best, and now they just don't want to waste any more moment in the situation thinking about you or about this situation. Oh my god, this is hurtful, but this is what I'm getting here. So they're choosing peace over the situation. They are choosing this energy of, okay, let me just keep on moving towards calmer water. Let me just keep on finding my peace and my happiness. And if Gemini is going to connect, maybe I'll talk to them. But from their side, they feel like they don't have any wish or desire or any kind of intention to talk to you from their side. They feel like the friendship is gone. There is a completion of a cycle in the situation. The friendship is gone, the attraction is gone, the pull is gone, and now they feel like they should choose a peace over the situation. This is somebody who feels like they have done their best, they have given their best, and now they feel like there's nothing left from their side to give to the situation. So it's best for them and best for you, like both of you, to just live your life to the fullest and leave the situation behind, because okay, of whatever happened, I don't know. I don't think so. This is somebody you had a like recent breakup with, like 2 days ago. Like it goes at least 6 months from now. Hmm. Wow. So this person is feeling like, okay, there's no energy of even having a friendship. Okay, they're not pissed off. They're determined. They're not angry. They're not in this energy of I don't care about Gemini. They do, but they feel like they're losing interest and they're losing this determination to be with you in this bond anymore. Right? Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? Gemini. We have the Hierophant, the Two of Wands, and the Four of Wands. Bottom of the deck is the King of Pentacles. They want harmony. They want harmony. They want stability. They want the situation to be very stable, mature, grounded, practical, and sorted, and very safe and secure to be with. Okay, if you guys have some kind of financial issues going on, or some kind of issues going on because of the money, like maybe you are the one who's provider and you have more money, and or the vice versa, then also they want to have a talk about that thing also, so that things are going to be sorted in a practical way, in a practical manner, and you guys are going to move forward. So if you guys are, and especially if you guys are already married and or you were about to get married, they want to continue the situation, but with this term and condition that everything is going to be sorted, grounded, stable, safe, and secure to go ahead with, right? So right now, like on a deeper level, they want this situation to be sorted in a very practical, mature, and grounded way. And on a conscious level, this person wants to wait for the time when you guys will be able to sort things out with each other. Especially again, if you guys were planning to get married and or you are already married and you were married at some point of time. So they're looking forward to have this kind of energy of commitment, have this kind of energy of saving the relationship and making it work out. But again, they have certain kind of terms and conditions for the situation to work out in a proper way, the way it should be. Gemini. I'm telling you, they're not over you. They don't have like, it's not like they don't have feelings for you, they don't care about you, they do, but they feel like they're losing interest with each passing day. But still they have this intention, if the stability issues, the money issues, the financial issues are going to be sorted, they can still give it a chance, but they are going to wait for the things to improve, or maybe something to improve in the situation, so that they can choose you. And this situation eventually, for some of you, this is very much possible that one of you is already married to somebody else, and they have to choose between you and this marriage, and or the vice versa. But it's like they're going to choose their marriage then, if this is like the scenario, they are married to somebody else, they have a family, or they have this family pressure that they should go ahead with their family's choice only, then they want to go ahead in that direction with their family's choice and or their marriage, they are going to be there only. Then they're not going, then they don't have this intention of coming forward towards you. Whatever the case may be, they have this intention of sorting things out with you in a mature, grounded, practical way, like two mature adults. Hmm? I told you the scenarios, every scenario that I got in the reading. Okay, before proceeding further, let me invite you to the 7 day 7 Osho meditation online event that's happening from 5th till the 11th of June 2026. We are going to do 7 Osho meditations, each 1 hour session every day. And they are going to be very, very different from the meditations that you have done till this point of your life. We have laughter meditation, we have Osho Kundalini meditation, 7 chakra meditation, grounding meditation, and then Vipassana meditation on the last day. It's going to be a really good start for your spiritual journey or your healing journey, and or if you want to enter in Osho's world, it's a really, really good opportunity, and the fees is really very affordable. It's 3,500 for Indians, and for others it's 125 USD. The instructions are going to be in Hindi and English both, so don't worry about that too. But I cannot provide the recordings because I'm not allowed to do that. Okay, for more information you can click the link given below in the description box. You're going to find all the instructions and everything, and read everything before you guys are going to apply, because the fees is non-refundable. Okay, honey, so I'll see you on the other side. I'm very excited. I'm going to do it even if one person is going to show up. So I'll see you on the other side. What are you waiting for, huh? Let's go. Let's do it. Let's see the action from this person's side, if any, by the end of this month, June 2026. I'll try to do the readings again in mid of June. Okay, but for the timing, whenever I'm going to get the time, according to the slots. Let's see actions. I have the Hanged Man, the 9 of Cups, and the 5 of Pentacles. Bottom of the deck is the 10 of Pentacles. You know, from deep inside, they are going to miss you like crazy. They are going to miss the good times that you guys had with each other, the plans that you guys made for your family. Like, we guys are going to get married, we guys are going to have 2 kids, and this and that, and something related to finances, money, stability, maybe land or property is there. That is also a main issue here, or maybe career. But they are going to miss you like crazy. They are going to miss the good old days, but they are refusing to take any kind of action in this direction. They are going to keep they're going to feel stuck in their head in this situation. They are going to feel like their happiness is connected to you, and they are definitely going to feel left out in the cold multiple times in a day. But they are not going to say anything, do anything. In fact, they are going to switch on their practical side, and they are going to be like, okay, that's it, I'm moving on. This is not going to be sorted, this is not going to be healed, I can't do anything about it, so let me just choose myself and my happiness over the situation, and let me just keep moving forward. I don't see them crying, sulking, or feeling like, oh my god, I'm going to die without Gemini. But they're going to miss you from time to time, and they're going to feel left out in the cold, and but they're refusing to do anything about it. They're just like in this surrender mode, that whatever is supposed to happen will happen. I don't want to ruin any more time, effort, and energy onto this. Let's see what is the guidance for you guys here, Gemini, in the situation. I don't think so you need a guidance here, but you know what to do. But anyways, let's see. So we have the Queen of Wands, the 8 of Pentacles, and 3 of Swords. Bottom of the deck is the Magician. Okay, if you are trying to manifest something with a broken heart, that's not going to work out. You guys have to, why am I saying that if you want to create any kind of reality, if you want to manifest something in your life, with someone, like whether it's for your personal thing or professional thing, or it's not containing any other energy, including any other energy, until unless you guys are going to heal your broken heart, until unless you guys are going to like heal all the pieces, like add all the pieces of the puzzles, you guys will not be able to manifest anything. So work on your healing, work on healing your heartbreak, your pain first, and then whatever you're trying to manifest, take the steps, necessary steps from your side. Okay, my goodness, Gemini, this is very confusing. See, let me tell you the rules of manifestation: deciding what you want, then deciding why you want it, and then regulating your nervous system, teaching your nervous system that it's safe for you to receive that thing, then taking the inspired actions, and then detachment from the outcome. That is the sequence. And in this sequence, if you're trying to manifest something, whatever it is, until unless you guys are going to heal this heartbreak and the pain, and you are going to manifest anything from the energy of pain, you are going to attract more and more pain and more heartbreak in your life. Okay, so until unless this is going to be resolved, you guys will not be able to manifest exactly what you're looking forward to have. That's the point, that's the guidance. So heal it, heal the pain properly, release the pain properly, then start the manifestation. Manifestation is directly proportional to what we are feeling from inside, because universe doesn't operate in words or anything. It's like it operates in feelings, vibrations. Anyway, so let me answer one of your questions related to this particular situation of your life, Gemini. This portion also might or might not resonate. If it does, good. If it doesn't, don't worry about it, just let it be. I'm going to give you 15 to 20 seconds to get the answer. If that's not enough for you, you can pause and unpause whenever you feel like. And if you're not going to get a clear cut yes or no, then you can take the message as the guidance for your situation if you want to. So let's start. You can close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, ask your question 3 times in your mind space, keep it short, simple and precise, and your time starts now. Okay, so the answer to your question is unlikely. Unlikely, while not an absolute no, that suggests that what you're asking about is unlikely to occur. However, it is a classic case of if anything changes, everything could change. The future is fluid, so make some changes and ask again. Okay. If this is something that can be sorted out, if you are going to take the action in this direction, try to resolve it if it is possible and if you think so, right? If not, and if you feel like nope, so let it go. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Gemini. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste, and don't forget to check out the Osho meditation link. It's in the description box.